another paying update for 2025 now. Facebook Marketplace now, when you go sell device or gadget or cars online for Facebook for clients where you go see, and they go pay you online. So how you take the first of all, you gonna need strong VPN. When I mean strong VPN, I mean ExpressVPN or PIA VPN or NordVPN. Any of these three strong VPN, paid VPN. So now I mount my ExpressVPN. As I don't mount VPN, now this is the first method. You go to the next method, getting pictures of your product. So open Pinterest. If you don't get them, go download one. Then you search for the phone. Three things where they go for marketplace now: PS5, phone, and truck. So now I'll go for phone. So I'll search for iPhone 16, the most viral phone currently. Now I will look for the color where go make sense, where go attract customers. So I guess this green do okay, but this picture no make sense. Make I find green where make sense. So I could just look for, yeah, this green is very nice. So you go need 4 pictures of the product. So I go download. Then I go need more. So I guys just scroll down and I see another picture. Like the picture go look similar. Not be say this one go there on top shop, this one go there for bed, like similar picture. So you click on the picture, they will show you more. And see this one. So I'll save. I don't get to now. So I'll scroll the way down now till I find another one. If you don't see the picture where you find, just click on the picture where you saved just now. They will show you more like this for Pinterest, and so Pinterest will be. So I don't see any sharp one. So I will just go down back to the one where I download from. This one now. I'll just click on them, then I'll click on them again. Then you can show you similar pictures like that. So this one now makes sense. So I'll just save them. Now I'll still click on this one to see more like it. You get. So I'll just click on this picture, click on them again to see more like it. So I will scroll down. This outdoor one makes sense. This one where they hold outside. So 4 different pictures of iPhone 16. Now this is the second step done. So now I'm moving to the third step, which is posting the product on Facebook. So now I'll go my FB now. Once I go my Facebook now, listing carefully, I'll go for menu, then I'll go for marketplace. Now I'll just click on marketplace now. Check my bio for my WhatsApp group for sharp update like this. So now I'll click on the location now. Make I put and go where I want post, and you just zoom out. Now I want post go Berlin, one state where they close to Berlin. So you put the blue pointer for there, then you click on apply. Instantly thing will change to where you want post and go. Then you go click on sell. You see click on sell. Then I'll click on create listing. Then I'll click on one item because it's just phone. Then I go upload the pictures what I say for Pinterest now, the product where they advertise. Then I'll click on them, then I'll select the 4 pictures you get. Now the title now iPhone 16. Then price, I will just do 500 of this currency. Then condition is a new phone. Then you go give sharp description. Description now I go write, my son got 2 iPhone 16 presents. 16 presents. So iPhone 16 presents on his birthday. We decided to sell off this one. Then you turn on hide from friends. So your Facebook friends don't know, so you post for marketplace. Then that's all. You publish. You go just publish. Me, I know they post. An example I do, so I know go post. Once you just publish, Facebook go approve them after 10 minutes, and clients go start they write you.